Finn! Finn! Finn!
Finn, show Mama. Shake.
Show Mama what you got.
Shake, shake.
What do you have? Oh, you're gonna trade in your Easter basket for the camera? Oh. Whoa! Whoa! Look at you standing, boy! Yay!
You're Finn.
I think he pooped, Mom.
Oh.
Do you smell poop? Okay, we be gentle here.
Changing his diaper.
Finn. Finn, can you show Mama? Show Mama what you got in the mail today. You're standing on your own, buddy. Look at you.
Here, Finn.
There you go. There you go. Is he in the screen? I can't see, Mom.
Yes. Oh, just put it down just a little. There he is. Whoops. Now he's out of it.
Finn, what did you get? Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake.
Here you come again, huh?
Oh, I hate this. I do smell that now.
All right, we'll stop recording. Oh, that was a burpee. Okay, well, bye-bye now. This was